This is Tony Poulos. I'm here at CommunicAsia 2011 in Singapore with Nicolas Pocard of IdaTech to find out a little bit more about fuel cell technology. Nicolas, welcome.
Hello, good morning.
Tell us a little bit about IdaTech and about fuel cell technology and the applications that are being used now for it.
Fuel cell is an exciting technology which is basically converting chemical energy into electricity with direct conversion, very high efficiency. And what we are working at IdaTech, we are using this technology to provide backup power to the telecom industry. So we have developed standalone backup power systems to be installed on sites where the grid is not very good in countries like Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam, and as a substitute to a diesel generator.
So how does it work? What's inside this big box?
Okay, let me show you. So we open up. So what do we have basically? A fuel cell. Let's start from this side of the unit. A fuel cell basically converts air and hydrogen gas into electricity. To do that, we have what we call here a stack. A stack of membranes of graphite with a catalyst. And what we are doing, we are sending air and hydrogen gas. When hydrogen and air react on the graphite membrane, they create DC power. So what we have here is a DC generator which is going to generate up to 5 kilowatt of DC power for a telecom base station. Now what is unique about this system is rather than using hydrogen gas from a gas cylinders as a source of fuel, which is very hard to find in Indonesia or in Vietnam or in remote islands of the Philippines, we are using a liquid, methanol. Methanol is produced from natural gas in Borneo Islands or in many parts of Asia. It's a commodity widely used by any sort of chemical industry. And what we are doing in that part of the system, we have a tank at the bottom here. So we are using our liquid fuel. Like you do with a generator, you put the fuel in a tank, and the fuel is converted into hydrogen gas on site, on demand, by this part of the unit. So what we do, whenever you have a power failure, the system goes on, and then it converts the fuel into hydrogen gas and then into power by the fuel cell. The beauty of the fuel cell is very high efficiency, very quiet. You cannot hear, it's no noise, no pollution, very low environmental impact. The carbon emission is extremely low compared to a generator. You can install it on a rooftop, very quiet. You have no complaint from the neighbors or anything.
Nicolas, that's fantastic. Thanks very much for spending time with us.
Very welcome. Thank you very much for stopping by.
Thank you.
Thank you.